Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivi Wogu if this is your first time seeing me. So I'm a Abuja-based YouTuber who creates content around hair, lifestyle, and vlogs. So today's video is going to be quite different. I don't think I've done an unboxing video before on my channel, but this, I just had to do it, okay? So just recently I ordered a microphone from Jumia and the microphone came yesterday. So this is the packaging that it came in. I was really tempted to open it, but I just thought, you know what, why don't I do this with you guys? So let's get right into the unboxing. In the box we have this pack. I believe, yeah, this is the front of the microphone. So this is the K8 wireless microphone. Whoa, this is the microphone right here. Here, you put this on your shirt, and then it has this one which you connect to your phone. It also comes with a what am I saying? Like an iPhone plug, if that's the right word. But this is for an iPhone. And then here we have the charger, because it's you can charge it. So this is the USB charger that it comes with. So let's go ahead and test this out. So I think you have to plug this to the phone. Let's see if there's a change in the sound. So this is the microphone. It's on right now. There's a green light there. It's on. So I just put this on my shirt and talk. I believe you can hear the sound. Now, how does it sound, guys? I'll only get to listen to this when I play the video, but hopefully it does sound great. I believe it sounds great because it says it's a noise cancellation microphone. I hope it is. For the longest time, I've been wanting to have a microphone for my YouTube videos, and now I have one, so I'm super excited, and even more excited that it's wireless, because I see people carrying the ones with wires, and it's just so crazy. But the wireless one is very, 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 very nice. It eases mobility, if I should say that. So yeah, when I plug this to my phone, it's said to turn on OTG. I don't know what OTG means. If there's anyone here watching who knows what OTG means, please leave a comment explaining that. I would also try getting the meaning from Google. Yeah, hopefully I get the meaning. But yeah, how does it sound, guys? Let's just do a quick mic test, like those at church. Sound 1 2, testing 1 2 1 2. Sound. If you are wondering what the price is, it is around 14,000 naira on Jumia. I would leave a screen record or a screenshot of the microphone somewhere in the screen so that you guys can see the price. I might also leave like a link in the description box if you would want to check that out on Jumia. This is not me advertising Jumia or the microphone. I'm just unboxing and testing out my purchase, okay? So yeah, the sound, I believe it's good. Only when I listen to it that I'll know, but you guys can let me know what you think about the sound and what you think about this video in general. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like on this video for me. Comment below. Tell me what you thought about the unboxing, the mic itself, and the sound and all of that. Tell me, just let me know your thoughts. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. But I don't wanna say it makes me